Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we went to Mickey D's and we've got ourselves the new Guardians of the Galaxy 3 Happy Meal. So we're just gonna open it up and check out what's inside. So there you've got it right there. We've got the Guardians of the Galaxy 3 Happy Meal. Got my drink there. This movie, at the time of the recording of this video, comes out in about a little over a week and a half from now. It is the final Guardians of the Galaxy movie. It's kind of sad. Look at those characters there. One of them at least is going to die, if not two, in the movie. A lot of people think Rocket's going to die. I think Drax probably will. Maybe Star-Lord. Who knows, though? Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3! Alright, so turn this sucker around. Oh, they've got pictures here on the top. Possible toys. Drax, Star-Lord, Groot, and Nebula. They've also got directions where you can download and play a game. Scan the code on the other side of the box. Get a play. The other side of the Happy Meal is the red Happy Meal box. Smiley face. And there's this where you can scan in. The other characters include, oh wow, Cosmo, that'd be kind of cool. Rocket, Mantis, and Adam Warlock. Alright, I guess it's time to check out and see what's inside. So let's see here, we've got ourselves apple slices. You got a picture of Groot on them. I opted for the hamburger Happy Meal this time, for the hamburger Happy Meal. Of course, the fries fell out of the box, so I'll just keep those there for now. And lastly, the toy. It's none other than Star-Lord himself. Cool. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3, Star-Lord. So I didn't show the unpacking, actually, of the wrap, but it's kind of cool. It's got, let's see, there's a button on the back. Oh, buttons for his arm. Moves his other hand, too. I think all these, they connect here. And there's a little spot where they all connect. Rocket, no! There we have it. The Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3 Happy Meal for McDonald's. With our own very little Star-Lord. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you, yes you, would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure or any of the adventures in TV Land, you can help support this channel. That's right, you can help support this channel by going to either buy me a coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube and just becoming a member there. It only costs $3 a month. Minimum membership. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.